Welcome back, Travel Knowledge. Today, we're taking you on a virtual journey to the tropical paradise of Sri Lanka. Known for its stunning landscapes, rich culture, and warm hospitality, this island nation has something for everyone. So, let's dive into our countdown of the top 10 best places to visit in Sri Lanka. Number 10. Mirissa. Mirissa is renowned for its picturesque landscapes and tranquil ambiance, making it a popular destination for beach lovers and nature enthusiasts. The town boasts a laid-back vibe, with cozy beachfront cafes and restaurants serving delectable seafood. Adventure seekers can indulge in thrilling water sports like surfing and snorkeling, exploring the vibrant coral reefs and underwater wonders. Whether you're relaxing on the golden sands, savoring delicious local cuisine, or embarking on a whale-watching excursion, Mirissa promises an unforgettable experience. Immerse yourself in the beauty of this coastal gem and let the soothing sound of the waves wash away your worries. Number 9. Colombo. Moving on to number 9, the bustling and vibrant capital city of Sri Lanka. This cosmopolitan metropolis offers a unique blend of modernity and rich cultural heritage. Explore the city's diverse neighborhoods, from the lively Peta market with its bustling streets and colorful shops, to the upscale shopping malls and high-rise buildings in the commercial district. Explore the city's diverse neighborhoods, from the lively Peta market with its bustling streets and colorful shops, to the upscale shopping malls and high-rise buildings in the commercial district. Visit the historic Galle Face Green Promenade, where you can enjoy stunning sunsets and delicious street food. Don't miss the opportunity to immerse yourself in the city's vibrant art scene, indulge in delectable Sri Lankan cuisine, and experience the warm hospitality of the locals. Number 8. Yala. Next up on our list is the enchanting town of Yala, nestled in the verdant hills of Sri Lanka's Central Highlands. Yala is a paradise for nature enthusiasts and thrill seekers alike. Embark on a rewarding hike to the top of Yala Rock, where you'll be rewarded with awe-inspiring panoramic vistas of the surrounding landscapes. Another must-visit attraction is the famous Nine-Arch Bridge, an architectural marvel that blends harmoniously with its natural surroundings. Don't miss the opportunity to explore the sprawling tea plantations, where you can witness the tea-making process and indulge in a cup of freshly brewed tea. Yala is a destination that captivates the senses and offers an unforgettable adventure amidst breathtaking natural beauty. Number 7. Kandy. Taking the spotlight at number 7 is the cultural capital of Sri Lanka, Kandy. This captivating city offers a blend of history, spirituality, and natural beauty. The renowned Temple of the Tooth, located in the heart of Kandy, houses a sacred relic believed to be the tooth of the Buddha. Immerse yourself in the spiritual ambiance as you explore this revered site. Indulge in the vibrant atmosphere of Kandy Market, where you can find a variety of local goods, spices, and handicrafts. Don't miss the opportunity to witness mesmerizing traditional dance performances that showcase the rich cultural heritage of Sri Lanka. For a serene experience, take a boat ride on the scenic Kandy Lake, surrounded by lush greenery and tranquility. Kandy is a city that seamlessly blends tradition, spirituality, and natural charm, offering a truly memorable experience. Number 6. Galle. Moving forward to number 6 on our list, we encounter the picturesque town of Galle. This enchanting destination is steeped in colonial history, with its crown jewel being the magnificent Galle Fort. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, Galle Fort reflects the rich Dutch and Portuguese influences that shaped the island's past. Take a leisurely stroll along the charming cobblestone streets, marvel at the well-preserved architecture of the fort, and immerse yourself in the vibrant art scene that flourishes within its walls. Galle also offers a culinary delight with its local cuisine, where you can savor a fusion of flavors and indulge in delectable seafood. Galle is a captivating destination that seamlessly combines history, culture, and culinary delights for an unforgettable experience. Yala National Park. As we reach the halfway point of our list, we encounter the awe-inspiring Yala National Park, which secures the number 5 spot. This expansive wildlife sanctuary is a haven for safari enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. Brace yourself for an incredible adventure as you embark on thrilling safaris, where you'll have the opportunity to spot magnificent creatures such as leopards, elephants, crocodiles, and a multitude of vibrant bird species. Yala National Park boasts diverse ecosystems, including dense forests, grasslands, and sparkling lakes, providing a rich habitat for an abundance of wildlife. Prepare to be mesmerized by the untamed beauty of nature as you explore the wonders of Yala National Park. Unawatuna. Coming in at number 4, we find the breathtaking beaches of Unawatuna. This coastal paradise is renowned for its palm-fringed shores and crystal-clear turquoise waters, creating an idyllic setting for beach lovers. Unawatuna offers a relaxed and laid-back atmosphere, allowing you to unwind and rejuvenate. Dive into the vibrant underwater world by snorkeling among the mesmerizing coral reefs, or venture deeper into the depths to discover intriguing shipwrecks. For those seeking tranquility, simply bask in the warm sun, feeling the gentle breeze and the soft sand beneath your feet. Unawatuna is a haven where you can immerse yourself in nature's beauty and indulge in a variety of water activities, creating unforgettable memories. Sigiriya. Taking the prestigious number 3 spot is the iconic Sigiriya Rock Fortress. This ancient wonder captivates visitors with its extraordinary palace, situated atop a colossal rock. Prepare to ascend the steep steps that lead to the summit, where you'll be greeted with awe-inspiring views of the lush surrounding jungle. As you explore this remarkable site, don't miss the renowned frescoes of the Heavenly Maidens of Sigiriya, showcasing the artistic brilliance of ancient Sri Lanka. Sigiriya Rock Fortress is a testament to human ingenuity and offers a glimpse into the island's rich historical and cultural heritage. Nuwara Eliya. We invite you to explore Nuwara Eliya, lovingly referred to as Little England. This enchanting hill station beckons with its cool climate and picturesque landscapes. Immerse yourself in the lush greenery of the tea plantations, where you can witness the art of tea production firsthand. Find tranquility by the serene shores of Lake Gregory, surrounded by the misty hills. A highlight of your visit is a scenic train ride through the mist-laden countryside, offering breathtaking vistas at every turn. Nuwara Eliya's charm lies in its colonial architecture, well-manicured gardens, and a serene ambiance reminiscent of an English countryside. Prepare to be captivated by the beauty of Little England and create memories to treasure. Anuradhapura. Finally, we have arrived at the pinnacle of our list, the captivating city of Anuradhapura. This ancient capital holds the top spot and is designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Prepare to be enchanted by its rich history and spiritual significance. Anuradhapura is home to some of the most sacred Buddhist sites in Sri Lanka. Marvel at the grandeur of colossal stupas, explore ancient temples adorned with intricate carvings, and be awestruck by the skillfully crafted stone structures that stand as a testament to the city's glorious past. Anuradhapura offers a unique opportunity to immerse yourself in the spirituality and architectural wonders of ancient Sri Lanka, making it an unmissable destination for any traveler. There you have it, folks. Our countdown of the top 10 best places to visit in Sri Lanka. Whether you're seeking cultural immersion, stunning natural beauty, or thrilling wildlife encounters, this island nation has it all. So, start planning your Sri Lankan adventure today and create memories that will last a lifetime. Thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you in the next video.